everyone, welcome back to IKEA Japan's YouTube channel. I'm Kevin Matthews and we are back on the rooftop of an actual IKEA store. Now we've created a 3-video series talking about how businesses can use outdoor furniture to create additional workspaces, or better yet, a relaxed space for employees. Now the first video talked about a traditional workspace setup. The second video, we're going into another solution. Solution 2 I'm calling the conference style setup, just because we, in a normal office setting, have larger group meetings, so we wanted to kind of bring that idea outdoors. I love this table because it is huge. One person can use it and spread out, kind of like what I'm doing here. Or it's amazing for small groups. And thinking about social distancing, everyone can kind of use this space and get their own private space. All right, so let's talk about chairs now. Now, for this section, I decided to do 3 separate chair options. The first is the reclining chair. It's super easy to adjust, giving you that little bit more of a comfortable feeling just for those longer meetings, which we sometimes hate. Now, the other chair is a traditional folding chair. It's super easy to store, fold away, and put away if you don't need it. Now, the third chair option I decided to go with is a bench. It brings in a separate chair option, but also, even if you're not meeting, you can just sit here, have a glass of water, have a beer after work. Love this. From a work and practical standpoint and functional perspective, this desk pad gives you a clean, flat surface to work on, which makes it even easier to do work. I could not let this video end without talking about one of the most important accessories, which is the parasol. Japanese summers are crazy hot. We all know that. I mean, look at my shirt. You guys can totally see it. But if you bring a parasol out, if you don't have a covered area, it provides that shade and that element of cool that everybody needs in these crazy Japanese summers. You definitely got to get a parasol. All right, so we have quickly gone through our second option as to how businesses can use outdoor furniture to create additional workspaces, or better yet, a lounge and relax space for your employees. Now, if you're already not a member of IKEA for Business, definitely go online and become a member. Or you can visit your local store, go to the IKEA for Business department where they can provide you personalized, special service answering all of your needs. Until next time, thank you guys so much for joining us on IKEA Japan YouTube, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.